Need to program a key fob for your 2005 Buick LaCrosse? It's a DIY-friendly process that uses your car's built-in system. You don't need special tools, just your key and the new fob. The system operates on a 314 MHz RF signal, and you'll be syncing the fob's ID to your car's body control module, BCM. Be sure to use a new CR2332 battery in your key fob to avoid any issues during the programming process. Remember, the car can only store up to 4 key fobs in its memory. First, insert your key into the ignition but don't start the car. Turn the key to the on position. Press and hold the lock button on the new key fob for about 10 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock automatically to confirm entry into programming mode. Turn the ignition to off and back to on, then press and hold the unlock button. Repeat this ignition cycle for each additional fob, doing it within 30 seconds per fob. Finally, turn the ignition off, remove the key, and test each fob to ensure it locks, unlocks, and activates the trunk and panic functions from about 10 to 20 feet away. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery and try again. Consider resetting the system by disconnecting the car battery for 5 minutes before retrying. If issues persist, it may be best to consult a professional mechanic.